Hello everyone, today we will bring you to our flight from Lutong Miri to the Miri crude oil terminal. You can see the dual carriageway just below these pictures. This is the main road which connects the city to the state of Brunei. As you can see on your left is the Sarawak Shell Berhad office. It's more than 100 years now, and on your right is the Miri crude oil terminals. In the shore of Sarawak, there's a few oil fields, and this crude oil has been extracted by oil platforms. These oil platforms send crude oils through big pipes and also tankers, and these tankers and pipes then store this crude oil inside these big tanks. Lutong does not process this crude oil. It's then exported to other facilities, mainly in the peninsula. In the last 5 years, they've been clearing the bushes around this area to prepare for very big houses constructions, consisting now of 600 units of houses, ranges from 300,000 ringgit to 600,000 ringgit. It's a multi-millions and has reached at least 1 billion investment, and most of the houses has been sold, to my surprises. We can see now new piles has been constructed, and frames of new houses is being built. This will become a new area of housing in Lutong, and just ahead of us is new houses that's been constructed in the last 5 years. You could see the differences between the roofs. The old houses had a more grayish roof. This house has been there in the last 20 years or so. This part of Lutong is called Kampung American. It doesn't look like a village anymore. It now looks like a suburban housing area. This part of Lutong has a small piece of land which is an agricultural land and not a housing land, so people are supposed to plant things in here, but as you can see, there's mainly houses rather than plants, but it doesn't matter anyway. They can still live here, and no one would deny the rights to stay in here. This is again an old part of the suburban, and most people are building extensions to their house against regulations, but no one would bother. They look like pieces of puzzles or multicolored fabrics now. So if return to our where we had begun early on. Thank you for enjoying my flight, and I'll see you again in the next video. It's just my father was heading off. Thank you very much.